Quick disclaimer before anybody gets upset. The reason why I'm calling this event a bust is just because nothing really happened in the form of severe weather, at least in my neck of the woods. For the entire day, there were 2 watches and 2 warnings. One cell ended up going severe in north central New Hampshire for about 45 minutes, and same thing in Connecticut. No real damage reports, just hail reports. But please be aware, yes, I'm fully aware that this risk, the entire risk, verified in places like northwestern Maine, and especially further down south in New Jersey and New York City, like that kind of area. So enjoy the video.
88. Worcester was sunny and 83. Lawrence, mostly sunny and 85.
God, there's no way, right? Whatever.
Number 441, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Vermont: Caledonia, Essex, Orange, Windham, and Windsor, and the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin and Worcester. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid conditions in weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here are the 1 p.m.
Okay.
It was mostly sunny. The temperature was 87 degrees, 2.71, giving a relative humidity of 58%. The wind was south at 9 miles an hour, and the pressure was 29.7.
No idea why I'm not getting KCC 40, but whatever.
Encountered mostly sunny 86. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, Hartford County in northern Connecticut, south central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Terryville or over Walcott, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Westfield, Newington, Windsor, Agawam, West Springfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Avon, Plainville, and Longmeadow. The following is a summary of
Here comes a watch. What the fuck?
thunderstorms until midnight. Some lows. Chance of rain 50%. May. A chance of The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 443, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maine: Androscoggin, Cumberland, Franklin, Kennebec, Oxford, Piscataqui, Saginaw, Somerset, and York, and the following counties, and damaging winds in and close to the watch at Massachusetts and northern Rhode Island.
Okay,
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind. Internet sources for the latest area at Logan Airport. for rapidly changing weather. Now for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official national... The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, northwestern Belknap County in central New Hampshire, northwestern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Danbury, Oregon, 7 miles north of New London, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs. Locations include Danbury, Center Harbor, Laconia, Hill, Wilmot, Bridgewater, Grafton, New Hampton, Meredith, Holderness, Bristol, Alexandria, Ashland, Springfield, Sanborn Ton, New London, Guilford, Hebron, Andover, and Plymouth. This includes Interstate 93 between mile markers 63 and 77. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Grafton, Merrimack, and Sullivan. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Monadnock and Peterborough.
This, I think, might have died on me because... Oh, it just didn't go off, okay. Earlier, the speaker sounded like it was blown, and the volume would only go down, not up. Wait, what? Wait, what? Hang on, I don't remember...
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, northwestern Belknap County in central New Hampshire, northwestern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 5:15 p.m.
Forgot it's in Merrimack.
At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Danbury, Oregon, 7 miles north of New London, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicates the vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danbury, Center Harbor, Laconia, Hill, Wilmot, Bridgewater, Grafton, New Hampton, Meredith, Holderness, Bristol, Alexandria, Ashland, Springfield, Sanborn Ton, New London, Guilford, Hebron, Andover, and Plymouth. This includes Interstate 93 between mile markers 63 and 77. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Grafton, Merrimack, and Sullivan.
Did not realize Merrimack was in that, so that explains that. Oh, there y'all go.